What about your family?
Okay, I'll say it fast. Um, my parents broke up when I was 15. I'm an only child, and I didn't see it coming. You know, we were really close. We used to call ourselves the Three Musketeers. And one night after dinner, my parents sat me down and told me that they were breaking up. I thought they were kidding. And then I saw a suitcase out of the corner of my eye in the hallway. And my dad moved out that night. And I think I cried myself to sleep for like, well, anyway, a long time. And then I realized that I better toughen up, and well, I got through it and sort of haven't cried since. I also haven't thought of that packed suitcase maybe ever. And that's my tragic little story. Let's order.
Wait, you haven't cried since you were 15?
I know, it must mean something awful, I know, but, you know, I try, but believe me. But can we talk about you some more, please?
Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, well,
I cry all the time.
You do not.
Yeah, I do. More than any woman you've ever met.
You don't have to be this nice.
It happens to be the truth.
Really?
A good book, great film, a birthday card, I weep. I'm a major weeper.